Welcome to another video. If you want to change vibration motor, I will tell you how to repair it. Gather the necessary tools, such as screwdrivers, spudgers, and tweezers. Power off the device and remove any external components like the battery or SIM card. Open the device according to its disassembly instructions. This often involves removing screws and gently prying apart the casing. Identify the vibration motor within the device. Consult the device's technical documentation or online guides for specific guidance. Check for debris that may impede its functionality. If the motor is damaged, carefully disconnect it from the device. Replace it with a compatible, functioning vibration motor. Ensure proper alignment during reinstallation. Power on the device and test the vibration